Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sleep apnea pills is probably one of the most crucial topics for anyone struggling with sleep disturbances. Sleep apnea, a condition marked by repeated breathing interruptions during sleep, can lead to severe health complications. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of sleep apnea pills, exploring their effectiveness, potential side effects, and how they can improve your sleep quality and overall health. Number 5. OLLY Ultra Strength Sleep Softgels, 60 count. Are you having trouble sleeping? These softgels are designed to help. They boost your body's natural sleep hormone to promote a restful sleep. This effective sleep blend features 10 mg of melatonin, a naturally occurring hormone. It also contains L-theanine and botanicals to help soothe and relax. Take up to 2 soft gels with water 30 minutes before bedtime. Swallow them whole, do not chew. Each bottle comes with a 30-day supply. These premium soft gels are easy to swallow and have a hint of a strawberry scent. They are naturally colored and contain zero sugar. The package is also compact and convenient. You can take these delightful OLLY products together. Feel free to mix and match them as you please. What we like. This product helps calm your mind and body with a blend of melatonin, magnesium and botanicals. It's easy to swallow with a hint of strawberry scent. If you are looking for a gentle way to ease into sleep and wake up feeling refreshed, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Within about 30 minutes of taking them, I feel relaxed and ready to drift off without that groggy or heavy feeling some pills leave behind. The blend of melatonin, L-theanine, and botanicals helps me fall asleep faster and stay asleep through the night. These were recommended, and they really seem to kick in after about 30 minutes and make you feel tired drowsy. Number 4. GenCare 50 mg Sleep Aid Soft Gels, 96 count. Are you tossing and turning, unable to find rest? These soft gels from GenCare offer maximum strength nighttime sleep aid. It helps you achieve a deeper state of relaxation. Worried about dependency? This sleep aid is non-habit forming, providing safe relief when you need it most. It won't disrupt your body's natural sleep routine. Get ready to wake up feeling energized and ready to go. This supplement promotes a deeper, more peaceful sleep, so you can enjoy your day to the fullest. Jet lag got you down? Take this with you on your next trip. It provides extra help to fall asleep anywhere, anytime, for you and your family. Each bottle contains 96 soft gels, offering unbeatable value. Plus, it's made in the USA and backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Try it today. What we like. This product helps you fall asleep faster with 50 mg of diphenhydramine HCl. It is non-habit forming, so you don't have to worry about dependency. If you're a frequent traveler or have trouble sleeping in new environments, this will be a great addition to your travel kit. What people say. It helped me fall asleep faster and sleep better when I was feeling under the weather. They made falling asleep easier and helped me feel more rested despite the jet lag. Asleep within 30 minutes and stayed asleep for at least 6 hours. Number 3. Jacked Factory Build PM, Nighttime Muscle Builder. Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep after your workouts? This supplement is designed to help you reduce restlessness and experience a better night's sleep. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer your next workout. This is a scientifically formulated muscle builder for both men and women. It supports lean muscle growth, strength gains, and better endurance. It improves the most important tool you have, sleep. Improve your post-workout muscle recovery with this product. Take it before bed, and you'll wake up the next morning feeling refreshed. It will help you tackle the day with increased endurance and energy. Unlike many supplements, this product is manufactured under stringent quality control standards. It ensures proper purity and potency. This formula is completely free of harsh chemicals, fillers, and artificial food dyes. This product is designed to support optimal muscle repair during sleep. Its unique blend of ingredients aids in muscle recovery and growth. It ensures you wake up stronger each day. What we like. This product is designed for post-workout recovery and muscle repair. It helps you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. If you are looking to enhance your muscle repair and growth while you sleep, this is the one for you. What people say. Build PM helps me to feel extremely relaxed, and when I do fall asleep, the sleep is much more restorative, regenerative, and re-energizing than it has been since I was a little kid. I sleep very deeply, and I know that my sleep is of the most desirable variety simply because I have such strange, vivid dreams. Build PM has everything you need for effective muscle recovery and for a good night's rest. I've been using Build PM for the past 2 weeks and it has significantly helped my sleep. The first few nights my sleep was improving only slightly, but by night 4 to 5 I was sleeping straight through the night. Number 2. That Good Supp Company. Sleep Aid for Adults. Tired of tossing and turning? This sleep aid is designed to help you effortlessly fall into a deep sleep. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. This unique blend includes philodendron bark powder, mucuna pruriens seed, 5-HTP, and melatonin. It promotes relaxation and provides the ultimate sleep support. It helps you maintain a restful slumber all night long. Unlike other sleep aids, this formula addresses multiple aspects of sleep. It helps you cast off the day's chaos and find the tranquility you deserve. This allows you to relax and unwind before bed. This formula goes beyond just helping you sleep. Ingredients like GABA and 5-HTP support your brain, helping you wake up mentally refreshed. It prepares you to conquer the day ahead. This unique formula contains magnesium, L-theanine, GABA, and more. It takes you on a journey to better sleep and stress relief. It's designed to help you feel your best. What we like. This product supports deep sleep and aids in stress relief. It helps you wake up feeling refreshed and recharged. If you're struggling with racing thoughts and need a supplement that improves your mood, this is a great choice. What people say. It helps me get to sleep, stay asleep and wake up well rested in the morning. What I like is that it only has 1 mg of melatonin, which makes me feel awake in the morning compared to most other supplements that contain around 5 mg, making you feel groggy. About 45 minutes after taking these I'm yawning, my body and mind are calm and I'm dozing off peacefully. Number 1. Peak Plus Valley Natural Sleep Aid, 60 capsules. Are you struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep? This natural sleep aid is designed to help. It combines the power of nature to support your sleep cycle. The formula includes L-theanine and melatonin to promote calmness. Chamomile and tart cherry are also included to improve sleep quality. It also contains ashwagandha to help manage stress. This product is perfect for those who have trouble falling asleep or waking up during the night. It's also great for anyone experiencing stress that affects their sleep. This supplement is gluten-free, GMO-free, and suitable for vegans and vegetarians. It's made with natural ingredients to support your sleep naturally. Adults should take 2 capsules daily before bedtime with water. For best results, take it consistently. Remember, this product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. What we like. This product offers an herbal solution with L-theanine and melatonin to support calmness. It is also gluten-free, GMO-free and vegan-vegetarian. If you are looking for a natural, herbal approach to improve your sleep quality, you should consider this. What people say. It worked well for me and I don't think I suffered any ill side effects from it. No grogginess in the morning or anything like that, and it put me to sleep relatively quickly. This all-natural, extra-strength sleeping aid, packed into 90 easy-to-swallow capsules, has been meticulously formulated to promote deep, restorative sleep without the grogginess often associated with other sleep aids. The blend of 3 mg melatonin, L-theanine, chamomile, and ashwagandha is nothing short of a masterstroke. Melatonin gently nudges your body towards sleep, aligning with your natural sleep cycle, while L-theanine and chamomile work in tandem to relax the mind and ease anxiety. The inclusion of ashwagandha, an adaptogen known for reducing stress, adds another layer of tranquility, promoting an overall sense of calm that is conducive to falling and staying asleep. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.